Dreaming of an amazing vacation, but worried about the cost? It can feel overwhelming to think about traveling on a small budget, but trust me, it's totally possible. Having a limited budget is completely normal and nothing to be ashamed of. In fact, it's quite usual among backpackers and younger travelers. The good news is that you don't need a huge budget to have an unforgettable trip. In this video, I'll show you how to make the most out of a small travel budget so that you still can enjoy everything a destination has to offer. But first, welcome to Travel Wisdom. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Got your own budget travel hacks? Drop them in the comments. Also, check out the links in the description to find some travel links, including a travel cashback app. Now let's get started. Choosing the right destination. First things first, where you go makes a big difference in how much you'll spend. Some places are naturally cheaper than others. Countries in Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, and Central America are great for budget travelers. Also, traveling during the off-season can save you a ton of money on flights, hotels, and attractions. So, if you're flexible, avoid peak times and enjoy fewer crowds. 2. Finding cheap flights and transportation. Flights can be one of the biggest expenses, but there are ways to find great deals. Use flight comparison websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights. Be flexible with your dates and consider flying midweek or to nearby airports. Budget airlines can save you money, but watch out for extra fees. Also, think beyond planes. Buses, trains, and even carpooling apps can be much cheaper alternatives. 3. Affordable accommodations. Where you stay doesn't have to break the bank. Hostels are a great option, even if you don't want to share a room. Many offer private rooms for way less than hotels. Airbnb, guest houses, and budget hotels are also great choices. Want to stay for free? Try house sitting or couch surfing. The key is to book early or be flexible with last-minute deals. 4. Saving money on food and drinks. Food is another big expense, but you don't have to eat at expensive restaurants. Eat where locals eat. Street food and small local restaurants are usually cheap and delicious. Visit grocery stores for snacks or simple meals, and if your accommodation has a kitchen, cook a few meals yourself. Many hotels offer free breakfasts, so take advantage of that. Free and cheap activities. You don't have to spend a lot to have fun. Many cities offer free walking tours where you can explore and learn about the area. Some museums have free entry days, and there are often cultural events or festivals happening. National parks, beaches, and local markets are also great places to explore without spending a dime. 6. Budgeting and money-saving hacks. Now, let's talk about smart money management. Set a daily budget so you don't overspend, and track your expenses using a travel budget app. Use the right credit card to avoid foreign transaction fees, and always withdraw money from ATMs instead of currency exchange booths to get better rates. Finally, research common tourist scams in your destination. Knowing what to watch out for can save you money and hassle. And there you have it, everything you need to know to travel on a budget and still have an amazing time. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Got your own budget travel hacks? Drop them in the comments, I'd love to hear them. If you want to learn how to create a travel budget, check out this video, and if you want to learn more budget travel tips, check out this video. Also, check out the links in the description to find fun travel links, including a travel cashback app. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels. Bye.